Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fit wind deflectors on a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your wind deflectors, a clean microfiber cloth, and some rubbing alcohol. Before you begin, make sure the window channels are completely clean and dry. This ensures a strong bond. Take a moment to test fit each deflector in its respective window channel to confirm it aligns perfectly. This simple step saves time and effort later on. Now, thoroughly clean the inside of the window channel, where the deflector will sit using rubbing alcohol and your clean cloth. This removes any wax or residue. Next, peel back about 2 inches of the adhesive backing from the top edge of the deflector. Carefully slide the deflector into the top of the window channel, ensuring it sits snugly against the rubber seal. Take your time to get this initial placement just right. Once the top is in place, slowly peel the rest of the adhesive backing downwards, pressing the deflector firmly into the channel as you go. Work your way from top to bottom, applying consistent pressure to ensure a secure bond. After the deflector is fully seated, roll your window up and down about 5 to 10 times. This helps the deflector settle into the channel and ensures a tight, lasting fit. To ensure maximum adhesion, avoid washing your BMW 1 Series for at least 24 hours after installation. Also, try not to roll your windows down for a few hours immediately following the process. This allows the adhesive to fully cure and bond properly. Periodically check your new wind deflectors to ensure they remain securely fitted, especially after driving at higher speeds. Enjoy the reduced wind noise and rain protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.